Welcome to BrandonHamster.xyz, your AI meme generator on AVAX. Here we will be looking at the added new feature. A feature that enables you to upload your custom image from your computer or mobile photos and create your meme to simulate your uploaded image. Here's how it works. Select your desired image for upload. Having uploaded your image, write simple prompt in the kitchen space and then wait a few seconds to get Brandon cooking. Voila! Your image is ready to download and use. Thank you. Brandon the Hamster, cooking it hot on Avalanche.